How valuable can a 2015 quarter be? A regular quarter struck for business use for everyday transactions that you see in your change every day. But which quarter? The U.S. Mint struck 5 different quarters that year. Let's talk about all of it right after this.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers. Got coins? JB Coins Inc. on YouTube. Daily videos and free giveaways. Join us today.
Hey YouTubers, this is J and B. In this video, we will talk about 2015 quarters. Are they valuable? If so, how valuable? Are they worth even looking for? Newer quarters, the quarters we can find easily in our change. Well, these quarters are part of the America the Beautiful Quarters program, a program authorized by Congress of the production of commemorative quarters from 2010 till 2021. They still have George Washington's portrait on the obverse, but obviously 5 different reverses. The U.S. Mint released 5 quarters that year. Homestead National Monument of America, Kisatchie National Forest, Blue Ridge Parkway, Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge, and the Saratoga National Historical Park. Now, regular business strike quarters were minted at the Philadelphia Mint, the Denver Mint, and the San Francisco Mint.